Konnichiwa, my name's Andy. Welcome to Uzumaki Garage. In the previous episode, I installed the reconditioned gearbox on the Integra. And in this episode, I'll keep at it by installing the driveshafts, starter motor, clutch slave cylinder, electrical connections, brakes, exhaust and transmission oil. I removed the spindle from the top of the vehicle speed sensor and put it in the base, and added a dab of white grease. Then I assembled it all together on top of the gearbox. Now I line up the starter motor and put the short bolt on the top and the long bolt underneath. The bolts do go into aluminium, so I'm very careful not to over tighten them. The next step is reconnecting the electrical connections and the transmission earth strap. That was a big episode. There's still some jobs I need to do when the wheels are back on the ground, like tightening bolts, topping up the oil, and refilling and bleeding the coolant. And I need to get the strings out to do a wheel alignment. And I've got a lot of OEM restoration jobs to do in the engine bay too. If you're interested and want to follow along with the next steps, click that notify bell. And soon you'll actually see me drive the Type R once again. And if you have time, check out my other videos about Hondas and Mitsubishi Evos. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Was it too long, too much detail, or was it okay? But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.